Hey guys and welcome. I'm about to share with you my The Cosmetics Company store tour. You guys, this is my favorite store for cheap high-end makeup. Those of you who don't know, this basically is an outlet of all Estee Lauder brands, and this location was inside of an outlet mall. So let's go in, you guys, and find out what they have new. So they had this little 60% off MAC section where they had couple of gift sets from MAC for 60% off, and these stick foundations, two shades for their liquid foundation as well. So these were all for 60% off. Then they had this little section for 40% off. I found a bunch of single eyeshadows and this new palette here as well. Never seen this before. The shades are super pretty. This was for 40% off. Then they had these gift sets as well for 40% off, and also this palette as well, and also these MAC gift sets new here. Then they had this Too Faced section, a new arrival. So they had this Born This Way, turn up the light in deep. How gorgeous this product look. I have never seen this before. It looks super gorgeous. So all of these Too Faced item you see here are for 40% off. And they had these palettes as well. We have seen these last time as well. So if you want to pick up any of these are for 40% off. And these lip products, and they had skincare new here from Too Faced. So I found this Wash the Day Away. These are for 30% off. Then they had this Hangover Good in Bed hydrating serum as well, and also they had these really cute looking hangover pillow creams. I love this packaging. So these are for 30% off because all skincare in this store is 30% off. Also, they had this little 75% off section where you can find amazing products for 75% off from their original price tag. So you can see they had products from Too Faced, Smashbox, and MAC. So yeah, everything you see here is for 75% off. And you guys, these products are extremely cheap for only $5 to $6, which is really very nice. They also had this little Estee Lauder product. Then they had this 60% off section as well. You can see they had a bunch of Glam Glow for 60% off, and these palettes from Bobbi Brown, Smashbox, and also they had Pretty Rich from Too Faced as well for 60% off if you guys wanting this palette. And also Origin lip products, lip liners, Smashbox palette, these all are for 60% off. They had couple of Glam Glow gift sets as well, and also this perfume as well for 60% off. You can find amazing deals on perfumes at this store as well if you like perfumes. So this is what they have for 60% off. Now let's look at Tom Ford stuff, which is for 60% off at this store. They had this illuminating SPF 45 foundation new here from Tom Ford. This is a cushion foundation, and you guys, they had a bunch of shades as well to choose from and testers for everything. How exciting this is. I love complexion products from this brand. I highly recommend their complexion products. Most of their stuff performs amazing. And they also had lipsticks from this brand in a lot of different shades, and good that they had testers for everything. So these all you see here are for 60% off. And they had a bunch of 4 pen palettes as well. I found 6 different ones, as you can see. And I love Tom Ford eyeshadow products. Very amazing. And this is a perfect place for Tom Ford makeup because you can find everything here for 60% off. And also they had a lot of different brow products and brushes as well from this brand. I never found brushes from Tom Ford before at this store, so this is exciting that they had brushes as well. So these all are for 60% off. And they also had this little section for Smashbox. All of these products you see here are for 75% off. They had palettes. We have seen these in the past, but these were not for 75% off before. So now if you want these, you can find it for extremely cheap. And they had lipsticks from Smashbox, lips liners for 75% off. And then another 75% off, they had couple of skincare from Estee Lauder and this beautiful Estee Lauder perfume as well. Also they had these Clinique wipes, Estee Lauder wipes, and couple of skincare as well from Estee Lauder, Origins, and Yeah, one more product from Origins. All of these you see here are for 75% off. Peach Perfect foundation from Too Faced, and highlighter, and also loose powders, more makeup wipes. So these all are for 75% off. Then they had this little section for Estee Lauder, 75% off. They had foundation in deep shades and concealers as well. All of these things you see here are for 75% off. And these lip products from Estee Lauder are for 60% off, and also these face powders in deep shades for 60% off. And they had this new set here from Estee Lauder. These are for 40% off. I love this packaging, very very pretty. And then they had this little 60% off for Too Faced makeup. How exciting this is. I love Too Faced. I don't know why, you guys, I love Too Faced so much. I have special feelings for this brand, and I love this sculpting concealer a lot. They had a bunch of different shades for this one. You can use this concealer as your foundation as well. Super amazing formula. And this brow product as well from Too Faced in the shade taupe. So all of these products are for 60% off. And also they had this translucent Born This Way powder as well. Very exciting. And then they had this little 75% off section for Smashbox foundations, these full coverage ones, and these two primers as well. And also this color correcting stick, and these concealers in a lot of different shades. So all of these are for 75% off from Smashbox. They also had these products from Bobbi Brown for 75% off, lipsticks, stick foundations, and these little eyebrow product as well. I love their stick foundation, very good quality. And also they had more clearance, you guys. This was their little 60% off section, so you can find a bunch of Smashbox palettes and gift sets. I was literally in heaven this time. They had a tons of clearance going on, and also these brushes from MAC and Bobbi Brown for 75% off. So you can buy it for drugstore price. How insanely amazing this is, you guys. And quality on these brushes are very very good. So you can see I found a bunch of different ones. This was their little La Mer section. So they had foundations from this brand, and skincare, and powder foundations in a lot of different shades. This brand is also very expensive, so all makeup you see here is for 40% off, and their skincare is for 30% off. I really love their little beauty haul section, where you can grab a bag and add six samples of your choice and pay only $15 for everything. So these are the bags you can grab. Then they had a lot of different products to choose from. These Smashbox Superfan mascaras, mini ones, and also these samples from Origin Ginseng. I think this is a moisturizer, and also this skin activating treatment lotion from Estee Lauder. Or you can pick up this revitalizing Supreme Plus Night moisturizer, and also this dramatically different gel from Clinique. And they had a lot of different products from Glam Glow as well to choose from. So this is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.